Good morning, everyone. It's really nice to see you, both boys, girls, and I imagine too, lots of parents and grandparents and carers. I really hope that you're well, and it is, of course, another Hillfort Assembly. And we start every assembly here at Hillfort in exactly the same way, which is with our signing. Good morning, Liskeard, Hillfort. Good morning, everyone. And I do expect mums and dads that you've been joining in that as well. Well, what a week. I'm sure it's a memorable week, not least for our video that we've put out. Shotgun seems to be the favourite song for the children when they come in. And I hope we certainly really enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed watching all of the staff get up in their costumes and have a little bit of a sing and a dance. We certainly enjoyed making it. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. It's a little bit different to the real video if you look that up on YouTube, but it's our way of saying, look, hello, we're still here, we're still enjoying ourselves, and still something just to give you a little bit of a reminder that in a few weeks all of this will soon be over. All of the clapping, we won't need to be doing that. All of the being at home, you'll be going home but not having to work. All of this will soon be over, and it's our way of saying hello. And another really important thing this week has been the start of Ramadan. So I talked in my last assembly about Easter eggs and Lent, the end of Lent for the Christian community. This week, yesterday, Ramadan started for those of the Islamic faith, if you're a Muslim. And we might not know, or you might not know as much about Ramadan as we do about Easter. So I thought I'd just give you a couple of things on it before we continue on with the shout outs and talking about other videos. And the interesting thing about Ramadan, it lasts a month. It's due to finish on June the 4th. I've got some notes here. But it changes every year. The date of Ramadan changes. So whereas for us, normally we have Easter roughly in the same place, that moves a bit, but Christmas is always in December. If you're a Muslim and you're looking for Ramadan, it changes. And the point about Ramadan is that Allah, God, revealed the Quran, the holy book, like the Bible for Muslims, to the Prophet Muhammad. And so it's a really, really important time when, if you are a Muslim, you have to give up sin and you have to fast. You are not allowed to eat anything between the sun coming up in the morning and the sun coming down in the evening, between dawn and dusk. So you can imagine, especially if you're inside and not got much else to do at the moment, that's really difficult because you're going to be hungry. Only when the sun goes down are you allowed to eat something, so that you can be closer to God and you can think about your faith. So that started only yesterday, and the greeting for people who are fasting and to wish them good luck is Ramadan Mubarak. So we definitely say Ramadan Mubarak to all of those Muslims who are watching this video. And at the end, the festival of Eid, well, that might not happen in quite the same way if all of these restrictions are still in place, but we hope it is. But there we go, a month, much like Lent in a way, where the Christians give up something for 40 days. The Muslims will be fasting for the next for the next month until June the 4th. So an important event in the week that we've just had. And another important moment in the week is that we have put out some more videos. Maybe not quite as funny in terms of the costumes, but definitely as funny in terms of the content of the poems. We have sent out online our staff, our teachers, reading poems. And we asked them to read some funny poems. So there's some Spike Milligan. Oh, look, there's all sorts in there. So that went online, I think, it's certainly on the online, I think at about lunchtime today. But lunchtime yesterday, sorry, it's certainly up there. Enjoy some poems. I'm certainly going to read to you guys 3 poems that I enjoy reading, and I'm going to go to my Julia Donaldson book, which is a collection of poems, and you're even going to get some accents in a minute, and me doing an accent is hilarious. But I'm going to give you a little bit of a rap to begin with. This is the dinosaur rap. Come on, everybody, shake a claw. Let's hear you bellow. Let's hear you roar. Let's hear you thump and clump and clap. Come on, join in. Do the dinosaur rap. There's a young T-Rex over by the door. He's already stamped a hole in the floor. There's a whirling, twirling Apatosaurus encouraging everyone to join in the chorus. Come on, everyone, shake a claw. Let's hear you bellow. Let's hear you roar. Let's hear you thump and clump and clap. Come and join in, do the dinosaur rap. There's a Stegosaurus rattling his spines, an Iguanodon making thumbs up signs. There's an Allosaurus giving a shout as he thrashes and lashes his tail about. Come on, everyone, shake a claw. Let's hear you bellow. Let's hear you roar. Let's hear you thump and clump and clap. Come and join in, do the dinosaur rap. There's a Triceratops who can't stop giggling at the way her partner's writhing and wriggling. There's an Ankylosaurus swaying to the beat, clomping and clumping and stomping his feet. There are dinosaurs here, there are dinosaurs there, there are dinosaurs dancing everywhere. So swing your tables and shake your claws. Join in the rapping with the dinosaurs. And that cool poem is from John Foster. Oh, take a breath. Now this one it's the law to be read in a Scottish accent. And this poem is by someone called Ewan McVicker. Deep breath, don't laugh too much. ABC, my granny found a flea. ABC, my granny found a flea. She salted it and peppered it and had it for her tea. ABC and DEF, my granny went deaf, going to the football and shouting at the ref. DEF and GHI, my granny made a pie, blue bottle biscuits and bread and butterfly. GHI and JKL, my granny made a smell. What did she smell like? Not very well. JKL, no, my granny broke her toe. They put her in the hospital. She wouldn't let me go. MNO and PKR, my granny bought a car. She took us out for Hurleys on the handlebar. PKR and STO, my granny caught the flu, doing the hokey-cokey with a kangaroo. STO and VW, my granny turned blue. We put her in the bed and we cried boo-hoo. But XYZ, my granny wasn't dead, so instead of getting buried, she got married instead. I have no idea what that poem's about, apart from maybe the love and the excitement of grandparents. And if I had no idea really what that poem's about, well, here's a Spike Milligan poem. And Spike Milligan was a comedian. Some of your parents, certainly grandparents, will remember him. But try this one out. It's called On the Ning Nang Nong. On the Ning Nang Nong, where the cows go bong and the monkeys all say boo. There's a Ning Nong Nang where the tringy trees go ping and the teapots jibber jabber joo. On the Nong Ning Nang, all the mice go clang, and you just can't catch them when they do. So it's Ning Nang Nong, cows go bong, Nong Nang Ning, tringies go ping. Nong Ning Nang, the mice go clang. What a noisy place to belong. It's the Ning Nang Nong. Not a clue, but it's lots of fun. Where the cows go bong and the monkeys say boo. I'm not sure I could cope with that. I'm not sure I could live there. But it's exciting all the same. So, we have talked about some really big things going on in the world. Month of Ramadan. We have talked about our fun video, and we've talked about some poetry. And what I've held on to is the shout outs for this week. So I've got my notes here. I say I've got them here. Yeah, here they are. And I've got my stars of the week, but I'm going to start with all of the maths people. So for the second week running, Joshua in Miss Early's class. Well done, young man. Maddie, top of the school in Miss Hoffman's. Amelia in Mr. Last's. And Kiki, second week running, isn't it, Kiki? And then we've got Spencer, your second week running in Miss Woods, and Ella rocking it in Miss Best class. That's all for the school jam. Try not to sneeze with hay fever. Times Table rock stars. Here come the top 5. Drrr. Eddie May, Poppy, Oliver, Evie, and Billy. Well done, you guys. You know who you are. I'm deliberately not doing surnames, but you know who you are. Ellie Mae, Poppy, Oliver, Evie, and Billy. That's your name, and you've been on there lots. You know that's you. And in no order other than how the emails came through, here are the stars of the week, all for sending work in, engaging with home learning, trying really hard, and generally being good eggs. So, in Mr. Williams' class, well done, Oliver. Mr. Larkham has gone for Alex this week. Miss Kirk, Grace, you have been a star. Mr. Last has done it again. You ask him to do 1, and he's only gone and done 3. Evie Rose, Elodie, and Amelia. Well done, you guys. At the top of the school, Miss Tandy has gone for Eddie. Well done, Eddie. Well done, Rory, in Miss Pomeroy's class. Well done, Rory. And Miss Fox has plumped for Lexi. Well done, Lexi. Miss Best has grabbed 2 names. Has gone for Harrison and has gone for Ziva. New name, first week. Well done, Ziva. Abby, Miss Hoffman has gone for Freya. And Miss Early has gone for Joshua. Miss Morrison has gone for Jess. Mrs. Wood has been a naughty teacher and has gone for 3. Sasha, Daisy, and Mary. Leah from Miss Colwell's class. And Elvie from Mr. McGurr's. Also, I am plumping for Peter because you sent in some work and that came straight to me. I was really impressed with your writing, Peter. Well done. So there must be, let's say roughly 30 names out. All children doing really, really well. So here we are at the end of, what have we done? 13 minutes worth of video. I hope that you're well. You continue to look after yourselves. We will be here opening the school next week. You keep logging onto the website. We've been in the top 10 in the country for the amount of people looking at our website. So hopefully folk are finding that, useful. And we will look forward to seeing you soon. But in the meantime, make sure you have some fun with your families. Play a board game, go for a family walk, have a nice lunch or have a nice dinner together. Most importantly, keep safe. And we will see you all soon. Look after yourselves. Bye now.